Vitamin A is one of the most important vitamins of all. Having this vitamin in high quantity will make your vision much better. It will prevent any types of eye inflammation, night blindness and eye dryness. The suggested amount from this vitamin is approximately 5,000 IU for adult people. We will reveal 26 types of food products, which contain high quantity of vitamin A. And with their consumption you will make better your eyesight. Tomatoes. These vegetables are consisted of plenty of vitamins and minerals, while it has low quantity of calories. For example, eating one medium tomato will give the body 20% of daily vitamin A. Furthermore, tomatoes have plenty of vitamin C and lycopene. Cantaloupe. This product is filled with plenty of vitamins and nutrients, and on the other hand it has reduced levels of fat and calories. One wedge of cantaloupe consists of 120% of the suggested amount of vitamin A. Beef liver. The beef liver has a lot of vitamins, mostly vitamin C and A. It is an amazing remedy for eliminating anemia. In 100 grains of beef liver there is around 300% of the necessary daily intake of vitamin A. Iceberg lettuce. The light green iceberg lettuce has loads of vitamin A, and one glass of iceberg lettuce has about 10 calories, which makes it an amazing, very healthy and extremely delicious meal, a meal that will give you plenty of healthy nutrients. Peaches. This fruit is one of the most delicious and healthy fruit of all. It has plenty of potassium, iron, magnesium, vitamin C, phosphorus and calcium. One medium peach gives 10% of the necessary amount each person needs every day. Sweet potatoes. These type of potatoes is giving a lot of nutrients and are too delicious. One medium sweet potatoes will give you 438% of the average necessity of an adult for vitamin A, and it is consisted of just 103 calories. Red bell peppers. The very delicious, beautiful red peppers have plenty of vitamin A, C, and lycopene. Cod liver oil. The cod liver oil can be found and used in two forms, in liquid and capsule form. The good thing about this oil is that it has plenty of vitamin D, vitamin A as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Turkey liver. The turkey liver is consisted of a lot of vitamins and minerals. In 100 grains of turkey liver you will get 1507% of the necessary daily value of vitamin A. Mangoes. These are delicious, with a lot of juice type of fruit which have plenty of nutrients. 1 cup of mango juice will give you 36% of the suggested amount of vitamin A. Spinach. We all know how many positive benefits spinach has. Plus, it has plenty of vitamins such as A, B, E, fiber, phosphorus, calcium, and manganese. With one small bowl of spinach, you will get 49% of the daily suggested necessary amount for any adult. Turnip greens. Turnip is a type of vegetable with plenty of leaves. It has a lot of nutrients, but not so many calories. Turnip greens are the perfect source of vitamin A. Fortified oatmeal. All of the grains and dairy products are consisted of important vitamins such as vitamins A and D. One bowl filled with combination of various brands of fortified oatmeal will give you about 29% of the daily necessities. Whole milk. Whole milk or skim milk are an amazing, very healthy products thanks to the many nutritious elements that is consisted from. Some of those nutrients are vitamins D and A, protein, calcium, and magnesium. Carrots. Carrots are consisted of a lot of vitamin A, and with one medium carrot you will have an intake of more than 200% of the necessary amount of daily vitamin A. Furthermore, carrots have a lot of iron, magnesium, and vitamins B, C, K, etc. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is consisted of high amounts of beta-carotene that is being transformed into vitamin A inside the body. With 1 cup of butternut squash cubes you will get more than 400% of the daily suggested value of vitamin A. Plus, it has a lot of potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. Dandelion greens. The dandelion greens are consisted with plenty of antioxidants, iodine, and calcium, and very little amount of calories. Moreover, with 1 glass of the green dandelion you will get 100% of the daily suggested amount. Kale. This is an incredibly delicious and nutrient-enriched type of vegetable. It makes better the health in plenty of ways, plus it is the best option in having the suggested daily value of vitamin A. Eating 1 small bowl of kale will give you 200% of what one adult average person needs.